Hello class 8th student, we are revising chapter 6. It's a part 2 in which we revise exercise D. Where are these protected areas in India? Means here are some protected areas given which are situated in India. You have to give the particular reason where they are situated in India. Name any one animal protected in these regions, and you have to give one animal also which keep protected in these regions. So first one is Erraviculum National Park. It is situated in the Kerala, and here Nilgiri Tahar is protected animal. Second, Ranthambore National Park. It is situated in the Rajasthan, and here tiger is protected. Next one, Ranganthitu Bird Sanctuary. It is situated in Karnataka, and here loin-tailed macaque is preserved. The next is Nanda Devi Biosphere Reservoir. It is situated in the Uttarakhand, and here snow leopard is protected. The next one, Jim Corbett National Park. It is also situated in the Uttarakhand, and here the tigers are protected. Now come on the exercise E. Answer the following questions in one word or a sentence. Define ecosystem. So, ecosystem is the interaction between living organisms and their surrounding. You know this thing that we are interact with each other, dependent on each other for their needs and food. So the interaction between the living organism or its surrounding, like air, soil, water, all that is a ecosystem. The second one, name the two endemic plants seen in Pachmari Biosphere Reserve. You have to give the two endemic plants which are seen in Pachmari Biosphere. So the two plants are sal and the wild mango. Sal tree and the wild mango. These two endemic plants were seen in the Pachmari Biosphere Reserve. Come for the question number 3. What are the threats faced by loin-tailed macaque? So loin-tailed macaque having two major threats, which are, first is the loss of habitat. Due to the deforestation, cutting down of the trees, it's lost its natural habitat. And second, scarcity of the food. Means when the deforestation done, trees are cut, so this loin-tailed macaque feed upon the fruits, and when there are no plants, no trees, then the fruit bearing trees are not present, also lacking of the food bearing plants or the trees. So the two threats, first one is the loss of habitat, and second is scarcity of the fruits or the fruit bearing trees. The next one question, why do animal migrate? Why do animal migrate means why they are going to another place. So in search of better habitat. For example, birds are living a region where there's too much hotness or too much coldness. Then what they done? They migrate for a place where the optimum temperature or the average temperature is occur. So in search of the better habitat for food, shelter, and breeding and raising their young ones, means where the all situations are optimums and they can live there easily, and they getting their food easily, and they reproduce also, so they migrate. Next question, what are endangered species? Give examples. So endangered species are species which are found in low number. These are not extinct completely, but they are found in the low number. The example is like Bengal tiger, Asiatic lion, Okay, so you can give any example here. Thank you, students. We continue in the next part.